Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope you are all doing great. So today I'm back with a short video to share with you how I make this half granny square. So I've decided to make this video separately. This half granny square is part of a project I'm preparing for the next video. So I thought to make this video separate for the people who only want to know how to make half granny square. But I'll share with you soon the next project. If you're interested to see how I made these triangle granny square or half granny squares, stay tuned for the rest. So I'm starting with the yellow color and 4mm crochet hook. I'm gonna chain 4. So since it's already summer, I'm starting again to use the cotton yarn. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll yarn over 1 double crochet in the first chain from the hook. So the very first one, and another double crochet. So my first cluster, I'll chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same loop or chain. Okay, so the first half is completed. I'm gonna fasten off to insert a new color. So pull out. I'm gonna insert my second color. Again, make a magic loop and insert it in the last stitch. So insert with a hook, pull through the slip stitch, and tighten. Now you can join these yarns together later on. I'm gonna chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, turn, and 2 double crochet in the same chain or stitch as chain 3. So 1 full cluster, which is 3 double crochet, like this. Now I've got this space. What I'm gonna do is cluster, chain 2, cluster means 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. The way we know, we do the normal granny square. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. Like this, and again 3 double crochet in the last stitch. And again, we're done for this row. I'm gonna fasten off again to insert another color. So this is how it looks so far. And this is now my third color, is the dark green. Same process, magic loop, insert my hook in the last worked stitch, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Chain 3, oops, okay. Again, 2 double crochet in the same stitch as chain 3. Now in this space, this one, 3 double crochet. Now in this triangle space, same thing, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And again in the space, 3 double crochet. And then in the last stitch as before, 3 double crochet. And again fasten off, and I'm gonna stop here. So for me, because of my project, I only need these 3 colors. So the concept of the triangle or half granny square is the same. You always start with a cluster, then you'll do a cluster in the next spaces. In the triangle space, which is always in the middle, you're gonna do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet always, and the rest are only 3 double crochet in the space. It's very easy to do, just follow the steps and you will be able to make it. I hope it's clear and understandable. If you have any questions, as always, leave it in the comment section and let me know your thoughts or what videos you want me to make in the future. Until next time, take care, bye bye.